Hi guys, today we are going to be doing a smoky eye look. Today I'm using this micro pore tape to kind of frame out this smoky eye look. First we will be doing our brows. Our brows are sisters, not twins, so I like to go underneath to fix my arch first and then fix the tail underneath my brows. You can definitely do it however you want, and then I kind of frame the top together and then I kind of go towards the front. So I work from back to front on my brows. All right, now going on to the other side of my brows, carving the other side. Remember, brows are not twins, they are sisters, so this time be a little bit different and a little bit quicker on our time here. And after I comb my brows out, I go in with the brow gel in rich brown, and I just kind of tame those brows hairs. All right, now we are going to use concealer in 03, Ivory, and we're just gonna clean up and use the concealer as a eyeshadow primer as well. Carving out the brow bone and making those brows extra. All right, now we are getting to the good stuff and using the Ultimate Trio Smoky palette from Farmasi. I am using the gray silver color first all over the lid. You can definitely use a larger brush than I'm using. I'm using a angled shadow brush right now just to get the color on and all over the lid. All right, so now we are moving on to the other eye, and you can definitely customize how gray and how smoky you want your eye to be. So now we are applying the same amount of gray to the other side. Usually it's the same, sisters not twins, and we're now taking into the black and packing in that outer corner area, and we will just blend that out into an outer V shaped here in a short minute. All right, so once you get to the desired blackness, you're gonna want to blend. And if you have hooded eyes, you're gonna want to kind of look straight ahead and kind of play up your eyeshadow a little bit. That's why I'm looking straight, is that so I can tell where I need a little bit extra, because you won't be able to see the color unless you kind of even it out. So that is what I'm doing here. Okay, so now we are going to take that gray back into my inner corner and just kind of play it into the black a little bit, blend it out. Here you'll see that gray coming through and just into the upper inner corner there, and just kind of blend that out so it's not as harsh on the eyes. So now we'll go back in now with the white and go through my brow bone and highlight that bone. As you can see, it is white and very, very, very pretty. And then don't forget to do your inner corner as well. And now we rip off the band-aid. So this is gonna give you that straight edge line. Now I am going to go underneath the waterline and underline of, just kind of take that black and under my eye waterline in there, and kind of smoke that out a little bit. All right, so now we are going to check everything, make sure everything's smooth, put a little white in the inner corner, and then we are making sure everything is spot. All right, so last step, I'm going to use the shade BabyCakes all over my lid and kind of brighten up. All right, so next step is eyeliner. I am going to use the black ink eyeliner pen from Farmasi. And just along the lash line, this is going to make your lash look bigger, longer, fuller, as close as you can get to that lash line. All right, so now we are using the concealer to clean up underneath the eye, kind of get rid of those bags, kind of clean up any fallout that you may have on your eyeshadow because we are using black. Kind of surprised that Farmasi black is not that much fallout, but sometimes it happens. So I'm just going to clean up anything that falled out and continue to smooth it out. All right, now we are going to put on our full face, starting with the VFX primer. It is a gel light powders after fade. It's really light, doesn't feel like a lotion. And I just love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, now we are going in with our Luminous Serum Foundation with a beauty blender, and I'm just going to kind of squeegee it. It's a light medicine dropper, and I'm gonna take it and blend with a damp blenderful all over, and blend, 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 beat, 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 beat that face. All right, so now that we finished with the blending, now we will go in with pressed powder in the shade Warm Light, all under my eyes to set from creasing, set those pores from, minimize the pores. That's what pressed powder is good for, and setting the face all day. And now we do the last step, which is curl the lashes and use the Extreme Curl Mascara from Farmasi. I love this. It nourishes my lashes. It gives me length. It gives me lashes. And I love it. Thank you for joining.